Hey, Madeline. That crazy lady is Mommy. Remember, Daddy's the cooler one. So it kind of looks like she's rocking out.